My fourth year of high school, some friends told me about junior achievement. I just tagged along. That was my first intro. JA makes you look at the bigger picture. So it's not just about running a business, but giving back to society. There are certain things in the world that I want to make an impact on. So I started looking into plastics at the time. Synthetic plastics are harmful plastics with harmful emissions. I created an organic biodegradable plastic made from potatoes. I saw some similar examples online and I kind of just reverse engineered it to create a resin, the raw material for 3D printers. And then I created something aesthetically appealing. There's mostly earrings, some brooches as well, and it breaks down into fertilizer. It helps to create more fruitful crops. JA helped to bridge that marketing gap. I like that I can create something and use entrepreneurship as the extension to push new ideas forward. It's a small step, but the small steps compound into larger solutions. We won the FedEx Access Award, a company with the most innovative insight and social impact and contribution to the environment. I can vividly replay the night in my head. Business-wise, it brought some scope and attention to our initiatives and projects that we've been doing. It also brought this level of recognition for not just the Caribbean, but Jamaica, this small little dot in the entire region. After receiving the FedEx Access Award, it kind of gave me a bit of recognition to be brave enough to start networking some more and seeking more opportunities and start more companies.